Hi, I'm Jenny Muncaster and I'm a professional mixed media artist, and I'm absolutely passionate about sharing my love of art. I'm also really proud to have been working on the Simply Creative sets. They're all about having fun with quality art materials, learning loads of techniques along the way. The kits are absolutely jam-packed with art materials. There's also step-by-step instructions and how-to videos by me showing the whole process of making and creating all of the projects. I think the kits represent really good value for money because there's so much in there, and even when you've completed all of the projects in the kit, there's enough materials left over for people to go on and create more and more artwork. There's absolutely endless creative inspiration.